so today we're going to be unboxing the August Target Beauty Box, and I really have high hopes for this box because in all honesty, a couple of days ago I received my the summer Walmart beauty box, and I have to say that box was a flop. I was really disappointed in it, so I'm really hoping that the Target Beauty Box is going to save the day. So for those of you who do not know, the Target Beauty Box is $7 a month, but first let me explain something. So the Target Beauty Box is not a normal subscription box in the terms of like where you give Target your credit card information one time and then you just keep getting boxes. Basically, the way Target does their beauty boxes is you have to go and you have to purchase the box just like you would any other item with Target. So you have to wait for Target to upload the box to their website, and then you have to go and check out. They usually upload their boxes within the first week to week and a half of every single month. They sell out so super fast. So I know, like, because I've been trying to get these boxes every single month for you guys, that I religiously stalk Target. Like, I just sit there and I hit refresh a couple of hours for, well, not a couple of times for maybe an hour and a half every day, because I like literally cannot wait. I'm sure that there's probably a smarter way that I could go about that, but I really want to make sure that I always get it in time. They sell out really super quickly. So here we are. It is $7. Again, I've heard it can be up to $10. I've never bought a box that's more than like $7. You pay a couple of cents in tax, free shipping, boom, then you get the Target Beauty Box. As I've said before, my only complaint about the Target Beauty Box is when you go to purchase it, they have a flat lay of like all the products that you're getting inside of the box. So if you're somebody who's more budget conscious than I am, you're probably gonna be like, oh, well, I'm gonna skip August because I think like the contents inside this month's box suck, and I'll check back in another month. I don't remember what's inside of this box, so hopefully it's a winner. So here we go. And they're like shoebox material. The boxes themselves are so literally sturdy. They would make a great gift. So the theme, oh my gosh, this card is so pretty. Imagine if my hair look like that. That would be so fun. So the theme for this box is a Hello Summer Stunner. On the back, it has all of the information of the contents inside the box, plus a $3 coupon that you can use on beauty products of $15 or more. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. We're already off to a wonderful start. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is a razor. This is the Chic Intuition Fab razor. Oh my gosh. So we have a full-on razor. This is a 5 bi-directional blade. Safely shave forward and backwards. So we have a razor. I remember when I got a razor in my Walmart beauty box, I was so hyped. And so I have a full-size razor. It only has one blade, but hey, like it only has like one cartridge, but it has 5 blades. So I'm really excited that we got a full-on razor inside the box. I'm pretty sure that we're already close to fulfilling the value of the entire box with this razor. Plus it's from Chic, so it's a name brand. I have no idea how much this actually cost. They don't tell you on the back of the cards. I wish that they did that, but I understand depending upon your location that pricing may vary. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Acure Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream. I think last month I received a brightening enzyme peel from Acure. So I'm not gonna open this up. I was gonna see if it had the protective seal. It does. Actually, you know, I might, because I need some day cream. I just ran out of moisturizer, daytime moisturizer. So let's open this sucker up and see what it smells like. Okay, so I did get a little bit of the cream out, and this is really weird. Do you want to know what the smell reminds me of? Okay, story. Do you remember when you went to the dentist as a child and they gave you like fun flavored toothpaste? They gave you like a citrus flavored toothpaste. Maybe that was only me. That's literally what this smells like to me, is like citrusy smelling toothpaste is what it reminds me of. Yeah, like citrus and like mint. This is so strange. I like the smell. It doesn't bother me, but like that's what it reminds me of. So it's supposed to be brightening, which is something that I definitely need. I definitely need to work on brightening my skin. But so far we've gotten a full-size razor and a brightening cream from Acure. The next thing that I'm pulling out is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray. I love this stuff so much. I love the smell of it. I got another bottle. The first bottle I ever had, it smelled like stink bugs to me, but now I'm finally starting to get like the coconut scent. My hair is still slightly damp, so let's spray this in and hopefully I will have gorgeous beach waves. I love the smell of it. Oh my gosh. So if you don't know what this is a sea salt spray. It's supposed to make your hair like wavy and kind of look like make you look like you just spent like 12 million hours being tossed around in the ocean, and then you walk out with like that gorgeous like soft waves and oh, so pretty. But that's what this spray is supposed to do for you. As you guys can see, it did add a little bit of texture to my hair, just a tiny bit, nothing super crazy. But I love the smell of it, and it won Best of Beauty for the Allure 2016 award, so that's another bonus. And I know you can get those not only at Target, but I've seen this at Walmart and Walgreens and Rite Aid and all that. So if you're wanting to try that out, I would highly recommend. Plus, it doesn't make my hair feel super dry, which is a problem that I have with a lot of other sea salt sprays. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Bliss Fab Foaming 2-in-1 Cleanser and Exfoliator with bamboo buffers. Oh my gosh, first of all, this packaging is so cute. Okay, I don't really know what this is, so we're gonna read the back. It says, do double duty. This oil-free gel cleanser brimming with bamboo buffers provides gentle exfoliation while removing makeup and grime for smoother, more radiant skin. Okay, so I can use this to take off my makeup. I thought this was gonna be like bubble bath or something, but it's not. So it's a makeup remover, which is so cool. Oh my gosh. It kind of has like a coconutty almost kind of smell, like kind of like fresh, bright, and tropical is the initial smell impression that I'm getting. But okay, I really thought this was going to be like shower gel or something like that, like something not super exciting, but it's freaking makeup remover in a bottle like this. Like, doesn't it look like what is that, bubble bath or shower gel than anybody else? But nope, they surprised me, and it's makeup remover. The next thing that I'm pulling out is Eden Skin Body Works Coconut and Shea Vitamin E Body Lotion to smooth and hydrate. This is a pretty big bottle of lotion. It's not, I don't think it's full size. It's a little small to be full size, but that's, I mean, that's a really nice sample. This is 2 fluid ounces. I definitely get coconut from this too. So it's really nice that I'm seeing like a similar smell pattern, like tropical and coconutty and like bright. Definitely kind of going out like with a bang for summer, because doesn't fall start in September? Like, I don't know when the official like date for fall starting is, but I've been like excited for Halloween since like January, so I'm already like, okay, fall, let's get here so we can celebrate Halloween. This is definitely, it's lightweight feeling, and now that I have it on my skin, I definitely like the coconut is nice and smooth and soothing. It's not like that fun, like, let's go out and party with coconuts kind of coconut smell. It's kind of like that, like, okay, let's relax and drink water out of coconuts. That's what this reminds me of. And it doesn't feel greasy. I hate it when lotions feel greasy, but this is lightweight. It doesn't feel greasy at all. And the last thing that we received in this box are these simple cleansing wipes. Removes waterproof mascara. Also Best of Beauty for the Allure 2016 award. So we got 2 Best of Beauty from Allure in this box. So okay, that's really impressive. I did receive simple, I feel like I received these wipes like a month or maybe 2 months ago. Like, I feel like I just got these wipes because I just threw them away. But so for $7 I got a pack of 7 makeup wipes, Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Sea Salt Spray Wave Spray thingy. I got a makeup remover. I got a daytime brightening cream. I got a coconut scented body lotion, and I got a razor. I received 6 items for $7. I can honestly say from the bottom of my heart that the August Target box kicked the summer Walmart box out of any placement. Like, this really outdid the Walmart box by an enormous amount. Like, we got razor, we got hair care, we got skin care, we got makeup remover, which is on the borderline of makeup. Like, we really did get a lot in this box, and so I do feel like way happier with the Target box than I do feel about the Walmart box. Like, look at everything we got in here, and only for $7. It is so much better than the foil packets that we got in the Walmart beauty box. Like, Walmart who? Target just took its place. So that's it for my August Target beauty box unboxing. I'm really happy with this box. We definitely got a lot of interesting things. We got some familiar items. We got some Allure Best of Beauty items in here. I do feel like this box was well-rounded. I feel like we got a little bit of everything. And I thought it was really interesting that I feel like they tied all of the scents together to do like a final hurrah for the last month of summer. So what did you guys think of this Target beauty box unboxing? Were there any items in here that you wish that were in here? Are there any items in here that you absolutely love? I cannot wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.